हेलो, आई एम झुमा। आज मैं लिमिट फिट टॉलरेंस का एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके दिखाने वाली हूँ। अगर पूरा वीडियो देखने के बाद अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए। आज मैं शुरू करने जा रही हूँ लिमिट फिट टॉलरेंस का एक प्रॉब्लम। जो प्रॉब्लम ऑलरेडी मैं लिख चुकी हूँ इधर। तो डिजाइन जनरल गो एंड नो गो गेज फॉर shaft hole assembly with 25 H7 F8 feet. Assume wear allowance as 10% of gauge tolerance. Also determine the type of feet and allowance. So first we calculate the type of feet and allowance. Then we design the general go and no go gauge for shaft and hole assembly. So first of all, 25, H7 and F8 is a type of feet. हम लोग जानते हैं कि H7 and F8, capital H for the hole and F for the shaft. So hole and shaft assembly, this is the sign. A capital H is a hole, capital H is sign for the hole, and F is for the shaft. So 25 is a basic size actually. So first of all, first we calculate the I. This I is equals to 0.45 cubic root of D plus 0.001 D micrometer. So from that case, this is the, what is the D? So D, the diameter step fallen in between the 18 and 30. So 25 is a basic size. This basic size is fallen in between the diameter step 18 into 30. So various types of diameter step is there. That is equals to 23.2 millimeter. So from that value, so I calculated from that value. So I is equals to 1.31 micrometer. So we calculate first, we calculate the calculation for hole. So this capital H is for hole. So calculation for the hole. So fundamental deviation for this type of hole. This type of hole means this is the shaft hole assembly. So capital A is his fundamental deviation is 0. So for fundamental deviation of hole, this H type of hole, this H type of hole is equals to 0. So tolerance grade for hole that is given is 7. So 7 is equals to, so IT7, international tolerance grade actually, IT7 is equals to 16I. This value is already given. So IT7 is equals to 16I. So 16I is equals to I is already calculated. So 16I after calculation 0.021 millimeter. Clear? So from micrometer, so divided by 1000. So for that case 0.021 millimeter. So after that we calculate the lower limit for the hole. So lower limit for the hole, that is obviously lower limit for the hole is 25.00 millimeter. And the upper limit for the hole is equals to 25 plus 0.021, that is equals to 25.021 millimeter. So first, if I calculate, if I draw the figure, then we all are knows all what is the fact of this drawing. So first of all, this is our zero line. So zero line, capital H type hole means this is our the tolerance for the hole. This is the tolerance for the hole, and this is the tolerance for the shaft. Clear? So मैं shaft में बाद में आ रही हूँ, तो पहले होल को समझा रही हूँ. ये होल कैपिटल H is a fundamental deviation. We write 0. So 0 fundamental deviation is a difference between the zero line to lower limit of the hole. So zero line to lower limit of the hole is 0. So this is our the basic size. This is our lower limit of the hole, and this is our upper limit for the shaft. So this is the tolerance zone for the hole. This value is 0.021. This is upper limit and this is lower limit. So lower limit for the hole, and this is upper limit for the hole. So this value is a fundamental deviation for the shaft. Then next we calculate for calculation for shaft. So fundamental deviation for F type hole, F type hole is equals to, sorry, shaft, mistake, F type shaft is equals to minus 5.5 into capital D to the power 0.41. This value is given, this formula is given. So for that case, the value is minus 0.020 millimeter. So this fundamental deviation value is 0.020 millimeter. So tolerance grade for shaft is 8. This F8, so 8. So for that 8, IT international tolerance grade, IT8 is equals to 25I. So 25I is equals to 0.033 millimeter. So this value, this tolerance grade value is 0.033 millimeter, right? So this is our the upper limit for the shaft, and this is the lower limit for the shaft. So we draw that, calculate upper limit for the shaft is equals to 25 minus 0.020. So 25 is a basic size and minus this value, so that is equal to 24.98. So this is the upper limit for shaft, and lower limit for the shaft is equals to 25. So this value minus this fundamental value minus this tolerance zone. So 25 minus 0.020 minus, and so this value is positive, so 0.033. So from that 24.947 millimeter. So this is the lower limit for shaft. Clear? So this two value, and this is the whole figure for the type of feet. So कैसा हम लोगों का फीट टाइप है, डिजाइन और ये ड्राइंग से हम लोग समझ जाएंगे. इसके बाद हमको क्या करना है, इसके बाद हमको डिजाइन गो एंड नो गो गेज, डिजाइन जनरल गो एंड नो गो गेज फॉर द shaft hole assembly. So for the hole, so plug gauge we designed. So for hole, plug gauge design. So plug gauge design is used for hole. So the given data is wear allowance as 10% of the gauge tolerance. So first we calculate the go gauge tolerance. So that is 10% of the hole tolerance. Clear? So 1 by 10 multiplied by 0.021. Say 0.021 is a tolerance for the hole. So that is equals to 0.0021 millimeter. So wear allowance for gauge, that is equals to 10% of gauge tolerance. So is equals to 1 by 10 multiplied by this value, this gauge value, gauge tolerance value 0.0021 millimeter. So the answer is 0.00021 millimeter. So now we draw the plug gauge design. So limit for go gauges, so upper limit for gauge, that is equals to first basic size plus gauge tolerance plus wear allowance. So that is our basic size. So this is the tolerance for the hole. So this is no go gauge tolerance and this is go gauge tolerance. This small value is a wear allowance. Clear? This is wear allowance. This is the no go gauge and this is go gauge, right? So this value is known, this is 0.0021, 0.0021. Clear? And this wear allowance is 0.00021, right? So upper limit for the shaft is upper limit for the go gauge, that is this value. So basic size plus hole tolerance plus gauge tolerance. Clear? So basic size is a 25 plus 0.0021 plus 0.00021. So that value is 25.00231 millimeter. So lower limit for gauge, that is equals to this value. So obviously basic size plus tolerance for the hole. So basic size plus 0.00, sorry, this is actually the go gauge. So this value obviously, so lower limit for this value is this portion. So 25 plus this work tolerance 0.00021. This is the wear allowance. So this value is a lower limit, right? This is the upper limit. This is the go gauge actually, and this is no go gauge. So 25 plus wear allowance, so that is equals to 25.00021 millimeter, right? Then limit calculation for no go gauge. For no go gauge, so upper limit for no go gauge, that is equals to this figure. From this figure, this is the upper limit. So upper limit is a basic size plus tolerance for the hole plus gauge tolerance. So basic size is a 25 plus tolerance for the hole is a 0.021 plus gauge tolerance is 0.0021. So from that 25.0231 millimeter, right? So lower limit for no go gauge, that is equals to, lower limit is this. So basic size plus work tolerance or gauge tolerance, hole tolerance actually. So basic size is 25 plus 0.021, that is equals to 25.021 millimeter. So this is the go gauge tolerance limit for the go gauge, and this is limit for the no go gauge. Next we calculate the ring gauge. Ring gauge is used for the shaft. So calculation for ring gauge. So ring gauge is design is used for the shaft, right? So first we draw the figure. हम लोगों को समझने में सुविधा होगा. सो होल कहाँ था? बेसिक लाइन के नीचे था. ये वाला हम लोगों का होल का टॉलरेंस है. सो ये फंडामेंटल डेविएशन और ये हम लोगों का अपर लिमिट, ये हम लोगों का लोअर लिमिट. सो अब ये हो गया गो गेज एंड लोअर लिमिट के नीचे आ गया नो गो गेज, राइट. दिस वैल्यू इज अ wear allowance. The same formula, go gauge tolerance, that is equals to 10% of work tolerance, right? So that is equals to 1 by 10 multiplied by 0.033. That is the tolerance for the shaft. Clear? So that is equals to 0.0033 millimeter. So wear allowance, that is equals to 10% of the gauge tolerance, right? So that is 1 by 10 into this value 0033, that is 0.00033 millimeter. So now the same formula, same calculation. So calculation for go ring gauge. So upper limit of go gauge, that is equals to go gauge upper limit means this value, right? So this is our basic size minus fundamental deviation minus wear allowance. So that is the upper limit. So basic size is 25 minus fundamental deviation is equals to 0.02 minus wear allowance is 0.00033, that is equals to 24.979 millimeter. And lower limit of go gauge, lower limit means this value. So obviously this value minus fundamental deviation minus wear allowance and minus go gauge tolerance. So 25, and another way, this value up to this we calculated, this value minus go gauge tolerance. So 24.979 minus 0.0033, that is equals to 24.976 millimeter, right? Next, calculation for no go ring gauge. So upper limit of go gauge, that is equals to this value. So obviously basic size minus fundamental deviation minus shaft tolerance, this is our the upper limit for no go gauge. So basic size is 25 minus 0.020 fundamental deviation minus 0.033, this is shaft tolerance, that is equals to 24.947 millimeter. Next, lower limit of no go gauge, that is equals to upper limit minus gauge tolerance, upper limit minus gauge tolerance, this is the lower limit, this is upper limit. So upper limit is 24.947 minus 0.0033, that is equals to 24.944 millimeter. So this is our the no go gauge lower limit. So this is two figure. This is for the plug gauge design and this is for the ring gauge design. Plug gauge is used for the hole and ring gauge is used for the shaft, and this is the whole shaft figure, whole shaft assembly figure actually. So this whole shaft assembly figure, and what is the question is type of feet and allowance. So type of fish is equal to, obviously in between this is the gap. So this is actually the clearance fit. So we write this. This is clearance fit, right? This fit is type of fit is clearance fit. And what is the allowance? Difference between the maximum metal limit of hole and shaft. So we calculate these types of allowance. Types of allowance is equals to difference between maximum metal limit of hole and shaft. So that is equals to 25 basic size minus 24.98, that is equals to 0.020 millimeter. So this is our the solution of this type of problem. पूरा स्टडी करने के बाद अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है समझने में तो प्लीज़ मेरा कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए, कमेंट लिखिए। हम जितना भी हो सके कोशिश करेंगे उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए। सो थैंक यू।